Hello there, Claire Boscq here, top 10 customer experience global guru, and I am here in Cairns to actually get my medal for certified speaker professional. And this is the reason why I am not able to be with you and Natalia and all of the team to be with you for this conference. So Natalia's asked me to share a little video about customer experience and what does that mean. It's probably about 15 years now, over 15 years, 16 years that I've been having my own mystery shopping company. To start with, back into 2009. And it has been a real long journey. To start with, it was all about mystery shopping and doing the measurement of customer experience and customer service. And over the years, things have changed so much. I think the pandemic was also quite a time where businesses looked at cutting all their costs. And the first thing that we saw happening was customer experience and training got cut, which for us as service providers, we want to help you keeping your customers. If you have employees who are happy, who feel good, they will deliver great customer experience. So for us, as we're here and work with organizations, it is such a shame when we see organizations who sometimes put customer experience a little bit on the side and see that as a cost rather than a benefit. I mean, there's no two ways about it. If your customers keep coming back to you, they buy from you, they refer you to their friends and family, you're going to have a thriving business. You're going to have people. If you increase your if you increase your advocacy by just 5%, you can increase your profit between 25 and 75% of your current sales. I mean, absolutely incredible. So what is it? Why are businesses not doing more on that customer experience? There is so many touch points that we need to look at. There is so many things, and sometimes it can become a little bit overwhelming. So I have put together a little book and a blueprint. And actually, Natalia probably haven't even seen that, but I was launching yesterday my new book, which is called When Work Works. And this book is all about giving you some tools and techniques and a real blueprint about how you can really have a thriving business by looking after your customers. Seems simple, right? Okay, let me share you the 5 steps on how this works and how the blueprint works. When you're thinking about your business and your organization, if you want to have a thriving organization, the first step is about grounding. It's about really understanding, having a very deep understanding of what your organization is doing, what is it all about, what are your values, what is the vision, how can you really take people with you on that vision and do everything that you can to create an environment of trust and engagement and care. Then number 2, it's to look after your employees. Yes, that's a secret. We're not supposed to be looking after employees, right? That's another cost. We stop training them. Of course, we don't want them to sell things. Wrong. Look after your people. Spend the money in training. It's an investment in your people. It's not a cost. Stop spending money on marketing if you're not training your staff. Stop spending money on marketing if you're not looking after them, making sure that their well-being is very taken care of. Number 3 is my little secret sauce. I have been a feng shui practitioner, and Natalia knows it really well. We've been talking about that for quite a few years. And your environment and your customers and your employees, anything that you do from the outer energy will affect us subconsciously. Do you know that 95% of our decision making are made by our subconscious? Yes, our right brain, the limbic brain, the yin energy in our body. And what directly goes to our body and take decision, the drivers for our body, it's all about the 5 senses. You can connect on an emotional level with your customers. And once you've got that, you've got them. They're going to love you because subconsciously they feel good. They feel at home. They feel that they want to stay. They feel that they want to bring back somebody with them. So look at your outer environment and utilize some technique like Feng Shui, which I talk in my book, which you can then create better environment for your employees and your customers. Because if your employees feel good, what are they going to do? They're going to give great, amazing customer experience, right? Number 4, we get to the customer experience. Now is the time to look at your customer journey, to look at the touch points, to look at how do you connect with them on an emotional level. How do you subconsciously make your customers love you? Yes, that's what we all want. Because a customer who loves you, it's a loyal customers. Bring back. You won't have to spend so much money on sales and marketing because your customers will be doing that for you. Yes, they will. And obviously, number 5, the 5th step, it's about celebrating your success. It's about the expansion of your business. It's looking at how do you actually measure your customer experience. And this could be with Natalia and her team in actually measuring and doing some mystery shopping. It could be through a surveys. It could be looking at really what are the touch points that you need to understand. What are the frictions in your business that you can make sure that those frictions are being totally removed, whether it's from the digital experience, the customer experience, your employee experience. Look at all those touch points and ensure you're celebrating success. Because when we talk about mystery shopping, it is about identifying gap. But first of all, it's about celebrating the great things that you are doing. So celebrate those results. Celebrate the very, very small one result and the big, big one success. This is how you're going to bring your whole company to be having a really sustainable growth in the market and also profitability. So please, please, please enjoy the conference with Natalia. Enjoy her services and how she's helping you with your organization to measure, to improve, to expand, to make people feel good, to make your customers enthused and your people energized. Because once you do all that, you can only have a lot of success. And that's what I'm sharing with you. And I want you to shine your light in your world because everybody needs you. Bye for now.